loving this Worry-Free Goody manicure set. Comes in a case. It's plush on the outside. And when you open it, you have all these different items. And they all have a spot to go. The most unique thing in it is these clippers, I think. To get ingrown toenails out, or just to get to something that's hard to reach. It has a lock on it. It's made really well. To open it, you just push it and it comes open. Carry it right in your purse or in the car, or just keep it at home. That simple. And that is the manicure set. And it works really good. They're really sharp, the clippers are and stuff.